Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Sunday, June the 29th, 2025. I just got a daily walk and thinking about a few things that I want to give you some free yet valuable crypto advice in a humble way. What are you going to tell me, Crypto Mentor 99? It's all the basic stuff. It's all the boring stuff that no one wants to follow. Number one, your patience will be rewarded. No one likes to be patient. I don't like to be patient. But I can tell you, after being around for 3 4-year Bitcoin cycles, I can tell you that your patience will pay off. Number two, I've told this story a million times. March 2016, 2017 is when I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico on business. I've said this a million times. Bitcoin was $1,176, I think, or just over 1,000. That's when I first started to get interested in it, first started to research it, first heard about XRP, XLM, and just in Bitcoin alone, if I would have went to sleep from 2017 or 2016 till now, I would have 10x, 12x. Did I 12x on my bank account? No. Did I 12x during that time with stocks? No. Did I with Bitcoin? Yes. So you're going to be rewarded with your patience. Every 4-year cycle has a different theme to it, or a different flavor to it, if I could say that. And this cycle, because it's been bumped back 6, maybe 8 months, the retail investors are fed up. You can read all about it on Twitter. They're mad, they're angry, they're waiting. And at the same time, retail investors can't buy Bitcoin and cryptos fast enough. Countries can't buy Bitcoin and cryptos fast enough. But the average Joe on the street, shout out to all the Joes out there, the average Joe on the street is fed up, frustrated, and is selling. Why? I would normally say, I have no idea, but I know why. Because you're inexperienced, you're new, you're not familiar with the 4-year Bitcoin cycles. I get it. I feel sorry for you. We all have our own learning curves. But yeah, this cycle, again, it's been bumped back a little bit, but I wasn't going to take profits till the end of the year anyhow, no matter if it didn't get bumped back or not. Timing's been delayed. I can't give you 50 reasons why, but again, in this environment that we're in now, again, countries, large companies. I just did a video this morning. Avanti, which I never knew who it was, a Spanish coffee conglomerate. Their board just approved a $1.1 billion with a B dollar purchase to buy Bitcoin. So you take Avanti, I think that's AVANDI, Avanti Coffee or whatever. If you take that company worldwide times 1,000, I don't know, 10,000 companies, you don't think, or you think cryptos are going to continue to flatline? Bitcoins. So anyhow, I love you guys, love you gals. You think what you want. I'm going to think what I want. I'm going to keep on doing videos. And I recently started a members only, which I'm not being mean. I could care less if you join. You do what you want with your portfolio. I'm going to do what I'm going to do with mine. But if you want to support me, the channel, and what we do in Guatemala, Would love to have you on board. If not, no big deal. And that's it. Crypto Mentor, 99 things for being part of my crypto family. And man, today's walk felt good. Love y'all. Bye-bye.